Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here down in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So US dollar Swiss broke down in a big way this week. This blue box right here represents all-time lows on the monthly time frame. So we did make, actually it didn't make all-time lows. Some of the other Swiss pairs definitely did make all-time lows, but this is definitely a very significant break of structure to the downside. Now we have to be careful with, assuming that this is going to cause a pullback because over here when we broke structure to the downside, it literally continued to trend down for about a year before it actually continued up. So just because you broke structure over here doesn't mean that it needs to make a big pullback. It could continue down for several more months and then start a bigger move to the upside. So be careful with assuming that breaking a significant structure to the downside on the higher time frames is really important whatsoever. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, we have 5 waves down for sure. So if it does break structure to the upside, which I don't know that it will, but if it does, first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. Then I would observe it to see if it makes a three-way pullback and bounces from a Fibonacci level to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I would highly recommend looking for shorts, especially looking at all the US dollar pairs. I think the US dollar index potentially has a lots of downside potential. So even if you do see a break of structure, it likely is just a correction to the last 5 waves down. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.